So let me ask you this. Have you ever went to the gym and you're like, man, I'm about to go get it in. But when you get there, you really don't know what you're doing. So in this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to use the machines specifically at Planet Fitness. So if you're trying to do an upper body workout, this video should help you out and be more confident when you go to the gym and you're trying to work out. That way you don't have to be looking at other people, copying other people workout. You can feel confident that you can effectively knock out these workouts. I'm going to show you how to use the machines, what to do, how to move the levers, all through this video. Let's get into it. Look like you're struggling right there. Alright y'all, so this is a chest press machine. So working your shoulders, your chest, upper body machine. So let's show them how to move these levers real quick. So first one, on the bottom, if you're tall or short, you want to move it. So if you're tall, you want to have it all the way down. If you are a little bit shorter, you want to have it up. Alright, then the levers are on the side. If you have longer arms, shorter arms, you can adjust it to whatever feels right, and you can do it on both sides. So that's like pretty much the main things on this one, and all you got to do is just select the weight on there. You should be good to go. Alright, so this is seated row. It's actually working your biceps and it's working your back muscles. So it's really good exercise to use. You can do both at a time, or you can do one at a time. So only two levers. The first one's on the bottom. So you just adjust to your height. If you're shorter, if you're taller, above that. The next one right here. So when you sit on it, might be a little bit too short, so you need it closer in. And when you sit down, that adjusts it. And then you can put your feet right there. And then you are good to go. Hit those reps.
That's how you do it. I was really about to go up right now. Wait, you go in or up or out? I was thinking it's like the other one.
Up.
Okay, shoulders like this, right?
Yeah. Alright, so this is a shoulder press. You want to work your shoulders out, a little bit of your triceps as well. On this one, I have two different grips. So you can do this grip or you can do this grip right here. And then the only lever you got to do is pull it up. So if you're shorter, you want to bring it higher.
Well, you got to put
taller.
You got to put like a lot of strength.
Bring it down. Yeah. Use your back. You got to use your back. And that's it, right?
That's it.
So for the front pull down, so it's working your biceps and your back. The main lever that you gotta adjust is just on the bottom of it. So you just pull it up, you can move it up or down. But the main thing, you wanna have your thighs like right here. So it's not moving a lot. And then that's all you gotta do. Pull the levers up and down.
You go like this?
Yeah, so you're gonna just
right here. If you when in doubt, look at the pictures. Cause
when in doubt, look at the photos. We're gonna show you.
My brother is a personal trainer, and I still don't know sometimes. So if you like that, you know, you can ask for help.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you wanna grab your grip.
Woo.
See, this is what you don't want to do. She adjusts the weight to 20 and the other one to 70. So you want to make sure you adjust. If you're using this one, adjust it both the same weights. So.
I didn't know you had to adjust it both.
How you feel?
I feel awkward.
Feel a little awkward.
I'm used to it going past your back. I don't think I've ever done this machine before.
Yeah, this machine, front, pull down.
It says it gets your biceps, and I can feel it. It feels
Working your biceps.
Strange right here.
And your back. All right, go ahead and get it. Oh, work them abs. Okay, I see it.
It's uncomfortable.
It's uncomfortable? Can you feel it?
Yeah, I can feel it. Are my feet supposed to be flat? Does it matter?
Yeah, down on the floor. It doesn't really matter, but it's down on the floor
Keep
flat.
my feet down.
All right, so this is an ab machine working the abs out, upper body. All right, it looks complicated, but all you gotta do is put your elbows up here. The only lever you need to adjust is on the bottom. You just pull it up and down, or whatever to your height. And then once you sit in it, you can sit in it real quick. Got the elbows on there, and then you're just pulling it down. So make sure you just adjust the weight, so it's a good weight, but easy peasy on this one, working abs.
It's like a bump. Just gotta go. Like it's like, you know what I'm talking about? Is that normal?
I don't know what you're talking about. No.
It's me, okay.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope it added some value to your life. My name is Quan from Be Phenomena. For all the new viewers, I post new videos every Wednesday and Friday, so check out my content. If you really enjoy it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video with somebody who can use it just like yourself. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.